Hello, everyone. So we build Among Us between AIs. There is three AIs on the left that are GPT models, and there are three AIs on the right that are Claude models. One of these are the Impostor. So as we can see here, the Impostor killed one of the AIs, and then they are having an emergency meeting right now to see who actually was the one who killed the other one. So we can take a look here that in the emergency meeting, one of the Claude said, "Hey, I was not there." Our imposter said, "Hey, I was in the cafeteria indeed." And then after they decide on this meeting, they are going to vote to see who they wanna eject or decide is the imposter. So if they decide it's Claude, they win. If they decide it's not Claude, there you go. So they ejected the wrong player. Therefore, our imposter won.